If you've been behind the wheel as an owner-operator, you know the road can be unforgiving. The past few years haven't been kind to us. Rates hit rock bottom, while fuel and repair costs skyrocketed. You hustle hard to find loads, only to deal with brokers offering low pay that barely covers expenses. And when your truck breaks down, you're hit with expensive repairs and parts that take weeks to find. On top of that, equipment breakdowns keep you sidelined, while rising insurance premiums cut deeper into your profits. Every mile you drive feels like you're balancing on a razor's edge. One unexpected expense can throw everything off track. Yet, here you are, still moving, still fighting. That's what sets you apart. Trucking isn't just about hauling freight. For owner-operators like you, it's about building something bigger. Every mile you drive is an investment in your family, your future, and your freedom. You don't clock in and out. You're running a business, often with no backup and no safety net. At Truklex, we get it because we've been there. This channel is here to support you, whether it's navigating low-paying markets, staying ahead of costly breakdowns, or finding creative ways to maximize your profits and keep those wheels turning.